let us talk about some problems given in the quiz. There was a question given in the quiz involving the acetonitrile. You were asked to give the expanded structure of acetonitrile. In this answer, you will notice that this hydrogen bonds with this hydrogen and with this hydrogen and with carbon. So, ibig sabihin, there are 3 bonds for this hydrogen. Now, you have to remember that hydrogen has only 1 electron. So, it can take part in only 1 covalent bond. Now, etong carbon na to, dalawa ang kanyang bonds dito sa drawing na to. You have to remember that carbon has 4 valence electrons. Kaya 4 ang kanyang covalent bonds. Etong carbon na to tama. Ang kanyang bonds ay 1, 2, 3, 4. Tama. And likewise, sa nitrogen, meron siyang 3 valence electrons. So, tama lang to na 3 yung kanyang bond. Now we proceed to this problem. You were asked to complete the formula. So you have now CH question mark Cl2. Ibig sabihin, this carbon is already bonded to dalawang chlorine. So, isang chlorine at isa pang chlorine. So, ilan na lang ang para sa hydrogen? Isang hydrogen at isang hydrogen. Okay? So, ilan na ngayon ang formula? Or ilan ngayon ang subscript? Ano ngayon ang subscript nito? You have CH2, Cl2, not 7.